Hey there, business professionals. Fasten your seatbelts because today's news is all about the roller coaster ride of Trump's tariffs. On May 28, 2025, the Court of International Trade dropped a bombshell ruling against President Trump's sweeping tariffs. They declared he didn't have the authority under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, or IEEPA, to impose them. This ruling put the brakes on the so-called Liberation Day tariffs, along with tariffs against China, Mexico, and Canada. But hold up. Just a day later, on May 29, 2025, the United States Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit hit the pause button on that ruling. Trump's ability to levy tariffs was restored, at least temporarily. So, what happens next? Well, both sides have been ordered to submit written arguments. The plaintiffs have until June 5th, and the government until June 9th. This is all because the Trump administration immediately appealed the CIT's decision, literally hours after it was issued. They even threatened to take it to the Supreme Court if they didn't get a stay. Talk about determination. Peter Navarro, Trump's top trade advisor, called the appeals court's pause not a surprise. He said the administration is pursuing all strategic options and is confident they have a strong case. According to Navarro, the Trump tariff agenda is alive, well, healthy, and will be implemented. On the flip side, the Liberty Justice Center, representing companies like wine seller VOS Selections, called this pause merely a procedural step. They believe the Federal Circuit will ultimately deny the government's motion because of the irreparable harm these tariffs inflict on their clients. White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt didn't hold back either. She criticized the CIT panel, calling them activist judges and accusing them of trying to usurp Trump's authority. And it doesn't end there. On the same day, May 29, 2025, U.S. District Court Judge Rudolph Contreras ruled that two American toy companies would be irreparably harmed by Trump's tariffs. He issued a preliminary injunction protecting these companies but paused it for 2 weeks, expecting an appeal. So, what's the takeaway? This legal drama is far from over. Stay tuned as both sides gear up for a fierce battle in court. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on this evolving story. See you next time.